beautiful pool, and in the back you can see like the ocean, and it's really beautiful for the area.
Your girl, it's something that you need. Baby, come and share my world.
I'm gonna show you the rooftop pool, and it's amazing. Like the views is nice. You can see the ocean, and they have like a gaming area, a lounge. About to get off the elevator. Looks so nice. So this is like the cabana. They have these lounge chairs. They have this beautiful pool, and in the back you can see like the ocean, and it's really beautiful for the area. You have another side. They can do like some barbecue, some grilling, and just relax. There's even a bathroom. Let me see if I can go in. Please, not welcome. Please not. It's like it's closed, but this is like the gaming room. Yeah, so I like how there's like multiple lounge areas. They can just sit and just have a peaceful day. Let's see if it's open. Oh, it's locked. I'm surprised it's locked today. I don't know if it's like, if the time is closed. I don't think so. But somehow everything is just locked. Going to the gym. And here's the time. So it's from 11 a.m. to 12. All right, so this time is open. You see like straight down. I think that's like a, I don't know if it's like mountain or desert. And also you have another bathroom. Let me open it up more. Right. They have like mats and everything that you need. But I don't think that they have like a water station though. That's like the only downside to it. So here's the front door. You have your light switch for this one. And then over here, you have the sliding door. This is the closet. Just turn on the lights. And these are some of my stuff. All right, so they gave me some more pillows. And this, I think that's like a, I don't know, something to do with the sheets. And they provided me a blow dryer and iron, which is straight in the back. And you can put your clothes in here or anything in these drawers. And then you have your iron board. Okay, as soon as you exit from the closet, you have this bathroom. You have this walk-in shower. I really love it. Yeah, so I like how he provided me some towel and all of like the basic essential stuff. And these are like the soap. I like how they have hooks in the back so it can be more organized. So facing forward, this is like the storage room. It's like the broom, the mop. You know, you can do your cleaning. I don't know what's this for. Maybe, I don't know if it's like a, let me see. I think it's like something about energy. It says energia. That's all I can understand. But I mean, some of like on this building, some of them have like a washer or dryer or both in here, but sadly they didn't have it for this one. So I recorded like the whole like laundry area, and in my opinion it's like more expensive to pay. I really feel like I don't know, I really feel like it's too much, but I really feel like it's best for you guys to just book like an Airbnb that already have like a washer and dryer included, or maybe one or the other, maybe like a washer only, and if it's like a humid place you can always like hang it up and it dry, because that's what I do with my clothes, like, you know, just regular clothes. I can just hang it up and it dry. I don't have to like pay for that, like to use the dryer. And then here's the mirror. You have this nice artwork. You have your sofa, and also it can turn into a bed so more people can stay. Okay, this is the cupboard. And then I like how this microwave is so unique. It took me a while to like understand how to operate it. It looks really nice. This is where like the trash bin. And then you have your spoon, your fork, and other items. There's more over here. This is where you find the plates, the bowl, blender. Also, it took me a while to operate this. I think it's called, I forgot the name. If I remember, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Anyways, here's your cups. And then your glasses. You have some wine glasses in here. And then these are my snacks. Okay, so over here you can eat or do your work here. I have this little plant and you have this clock. I like how they have this clock because it helps me keep track of time. I don't have to like look at my phone every single time. So it's really convenient for me, especially with me like getting ready or I just woke up. And then I just love the aesthetic with this on the wall. I don't know what you call it, like a panel. Then you have the 2-end table with a lamp. And this is like a nice size TV. You got the AC. Like right now it's so humid, I had to turn it on. I wanted to show you guys like the view on a sunny day, but time goes by so fast. Like, with Peru, for right now, I'm in June, and right now the season is starting to like becoming like winter time. So it's like the opposite from the US, by the way, and I did not know that when I booked it. But still, like right now it's like warm, but then in the nighttime it gets cold because it's doing like a transition. So right now it's kind of given like it's about to be nighttime. Hope you guys appreciate the view still. So let me go out here. Yeah, they have like a blackout curtain, so you don't have to worry about, you know, like, oh, I don't want people to see me and whatnot. Yeah, it's very beautiful. And it's hard to see like the ocean in the back, but it's like straight down, like right here. You can see. Yeah, I really love this view. Very beautiful. Yeah, but the balcony is so small. I don't even try to even risk it to even like go fully outside. They're very beautiful. And let me go this way. You can see the cars passing by. Airbnb where I'm at, you hear a lot of noise. It's like it's not soundproof, which that sucks, but it's alright. I put on my headphone and I'm good to go. But yeah, like you can hear every little thing, guys, your neighbors and everything. Yeah, I just love it here. Like, I'm gonna miss it. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.